Hey guys, Mr. Hicks here. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the Levi Fry Band Hall. This is part one of our percussion series where we're going to go over some of the basic ways that we're going to hold and use our drumsticks and our mallets. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, if you got a bell kit, it's going to look something like this. Might be a different brand, but it's going to be roughly the same shape and look, and in here we're going to find everything that we need for percussion. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, in the top section here I've got a little spot for my practice pad. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. And then in the main section, these are our bells. Okay, this is where we're going to spend a lot of our time learning how to play these. These are all our notes. So when we learn to read music, we will learn to play it on these. Okay, there should also be a stand for the bells to go on because in percussion land, we stand up all the time when we play. Alright, so we're going to put this back for now. We're going to talk about how to hold your sticks. Okay, so set this aside. Alright, so on the list of supplies there were a few different sticks you needed. I have a couple of those. So here's a pair of xylophone mallets. Okay. And I also have my snare drum sticks. Okay. Now all these sticks are going to be held exactly the same way. So let's talk about that. Right now on your hands, I want you to look on your pointer finger and find the area between your first two knuckles there. Alright, that area of skin. I've got a crease here and a crease here, right there. And I want you to put your thumb right there, kind of like you're clicking the remote. Okay, thumb goes right there. Now I'm going to take one of my drumsticks and I'm going to place it in my hand, and it's going to lay right across that area of my finger, and then my thumb is going to come down and touch it. Okay. I'm going to do that with my other stick as well. Place the stick in between those two knuckles, thumb comes down and touches it. Now, I've got a little bit of stick at the end here. Alright, we don't want to be all the way at the very end. You don't want to be too high up either. Okay, a good reference, you can kind of see it on this, the words are kind of rubbed off. You're going to want to put your finger and your thumb right around where the top of the words are. And that's going to be a good starting point. Okay, so when I've got my two drumsticks in my hands, right, thumbs are pinching, the rest of the fingers are just kind of floating there. Then I'm going to pretend that I'm riding my bike. Okay, we don't want to have our elbows in like this, and we don't want to be doing the chicken dance up here like this. Okay, so we want to have our bicycle handles out, and if you'll see, my drumsticks make a 90-degree angle if we're doing that correctly. And then they're just going to go down like that. Okay, and so that's how you hold a pair of drumsticks. If you've got your mallets, it's the exact same way. You're going to place it between that section of your knuckles, put your thumb down, and ride your bike. And then we are ready to go with our mallets and our drumsticks.